David Morgan with you after several weeks of absence, traveling like a madman. Went to the New Orleans Gold Conference in New Orleans, obviously, some other trips, and just returned from the Silver Summit and Resource Conference held for the first time in San Francisco, California. But on to money and metals. First of all, on the money side, the dollar, no matter what the news is, seems to be gaining more and more strength, up near about 100 on the dollar index. And for those few that think interest rates may be raised in December, I believe that would only strengthen the dollar further. Gold, silver, platinum, palladium, most metals are looking at 6-year lows. The spread between platinum and gold is the widest that I can recall, and I've been at this for a few decades, as you know. Back to gold, we're looking at probably testing the $1,000 level and perhaps under that. And I say that with some authority because the last several years, the lowest print on trading has been the last trading day of the year. So let me restate that. In the old days, not too long ago, there was actually some seasonality that was fairly strong. That was the gold and silver markets would actually gain strength in the fourth quarter going into the first quarter of the new year. A lot of it had to be with jewelry buying for the holiday season. Regardless of the factors, for the last several years, we've seen the last trading day of the last session get the lowest print in these markets. And because of that, and that's the most recent trend, I think that's what we're going to see. So as much as it perturbs me a bit to state it, it looks to me as if we'll be seeing probably the $1,000 level test in the gold market and probably prints below 14 in the silver market. Time will tell, but that's the way I see it currently. There's only a month left of trading. The last part of it, of course, is tax loss selling. A lot of people wait until the last moment to sell and rebuy for the tax situation that they personally hold. And that also adds downward pressure to not only the metals, but particularly into the underlying equities. Having said all that, coming back to the New Orleans conference, it was very well attended. Some of the best speakers on the planet are there. Dr. Faber, Doug Casey gave probably one of the best speeches I've ever heard. I've heard several of his. Robert Prechter gave his outlook on gold, and many more very well-known analysts in the gold-silver resource space. The Silver Summit was very, very nice and well attended. Mayor Katusa took a leadership role, and the Silver Bull Award, or Silver Baron Award as we changed the name, actually was put on a retirement basis, as a new award was started in the resource sector, and that was given to Ross Beatty, very well deserved, by the way. Full circle, it's great to be back with you. Not a lot of specifics. I just want to kind of wind up this month, catch everybody up. As far as the Morgan Report is concerned, we do have a new speculation that we'll be issuing shortly. It revolves around gravity-feed gold, and it's very, very beneficial to the junior resource company. Wouldn't make a difference to a mid-tier or top tier, but for those struggling out there that wish to obtain some cash flow without dilution, this project, this technology looks very, very favorable. So I'm going to close out this month, with money and metals, and I hope to start doing these updates in a more timely manner from this point forward.